1 and 2 because pressure drops because of friction in the tube and acceleration of refrigerant. And 56, which part of the vapor compression refrigeration cycle produces the refrigerant effect? Letter C, evaporator. Because it produced in the evaporator where heat is absorbed. And 57, in the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, the refrigerant is generally in the form of fairly wet vapor at entry to the D compressor because refrigerant enters the compressor as fairly wet vapor. And in 58, vapor compression refrigeration system at entrance to which component working fluid is superheated vapor. So letter B, condenser, because superheated vapor enters the condenser after compression. And 59, during refrigeration cycle based on vapor compression system, the heat is rejected by the refrigerant in A condenser because heat is rejected from